Hi guys, I am doing a cleaning and cooking. I'm actually going to be prepping my breakfast in this video. So I'm going to be prepping some egg muffins, and then I did some working out in here. So if you need some motivation to get some things done today to start out your weekend, stay tuned. If you're new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids. On my channel, I like to do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle type things. So if that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos, and let's go ahead and get some things done and start out this weekend.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer when we soar away among the clouds. The sky is just a border when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward.
So this is the next day, and I am prepping this chicken sausage. I can't remember what I was doing. I'm prepping these peppers, these onions, and this chicken sausage for my egg muffins. So I'm just going to cut up these peppers and slice up this chicken sausage, cook it on the stove, and then I'm going to add it into my muffins.
Stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. fights, sort out the lies. Oh, baby, yeah.
So now I'm getting ready to make the eggs. So I'm going to scramble them in this bowl and just put the muffins into this these silicone hearts. I actually bought some more silicone cupcake holder thingies. I can't remember what they're called. But I got some from Shein and also got some from Temu. So I will be making more egg muffins in the near future. But right here, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper into my eggs. I'm going to pour them into the little molds and then add my little mixture of the chicken sausage with the peppers and the onions. And then I'm using some Mexican cheese. This is just a mix of Mexican cheese that I'm going to put on top and go ahead and cook this. And this is going to be my breakfast for this day when I get done working out. So here I am fixing my egg muffins.
So hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now.
So here I am doing my little workout. I usually do a little jog here and there. Sometimes I do 20 minutes walking, and then I'll finish up my workout with like a 20-minute to 30-minute ride on my bike. So I always start out with warming up on my treadmill. And on this day, I wanted to do a quick workout because we have church tonight and I had other things to do. So here is a quick little workout motivation for you if you need to get up and move.
Down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
So we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some motivation to get your weekend started, and I hope you have a very blessed weekend. I will talk to you guys in Monday's video. Have a very blessed day. Bye bye.
Coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without